Hello and good morning, you guys. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is well. This is shot number 2 at my most requested video. So I put up a poll on Instagram yesterday. If you're not following me on there, my handle is melba_toast_. I put up a poll on there as to what you guys wanted to see. I had a couple options, and the highest voted one was a puppy meet and greet, which I had highly anticipated. So to give you a little background, because I gave a background in another video that wasn't posted yet. So my Pomeranian and my Husky had puppies. Number 1, it was unexpected. Number 2, it's usually done artificially. So that's pretty interesting. My 12-pound Pomeranian got my 40-pound Husky pregnant. So my roommate comes downstairs one morning at like 5 a.m. and he's like, he runs in my room and flings the light on and he's like, "We have puppies." And I was like, "What do you mean?" Because, you know, usually when a dog is pregnant, it's apparent. Like, their nipples are like bigger or like hanging and they're putting on weight. And we had just assumed she was putting on weight because she's like 6 this year and she's underweight for a Husky. So we were like, oh, she's like finally gaining some weight, getting older. No, she was pregnant. So we come downstairs at 5, there's 3 puppies, and he's like, "I have to go to work, but can you stay home with the puppies?" And I was like, I guess I have no choice. So I took my Pomeranian upstairs, tried and clean her up a little bit, give her some food and some water, try anyways. And I go upstairs, I go back to sleep, I get up at 9, and there is 5 puppies. So now we are the proud grandparents of 5 pomskies. So you guys are going to meet them today because they will be sold in less than a week. Yay! Also, don't mind, I live in a bar. Just kidding. This is us puppy proofing our house. That's my fruit basket. And those are puppy bowls. And that's a puppy. We'll meet him first. Let me grab him. So this is the one I was originally gonna keep. This is Zero. Zero, look at the camera. Zero, look. He looks so sad right now. He's probably sad I woke him up. This is Zero. He's a sweet boy. He's a big boy. Look at him. Already! He'll be 7 weeks this Friday. So he's a big boy, but everybody say hi to Zero. Hey, baby. He has 1 brown eye and 1 blue eye. Not that you can see that right now. He's not cooperating. Okay, Zero, you go right there. You come here. And this is Locke. And Mr. Locke, hi baby, hi. Yes, there's 4 boys and 1 girl. So this is Mr. Locke. He's got 1 blue eye and 1 brown eye too. He's super cute. This is him. Say hi. I'm wearing an all black shirt, which was like the worst attire for this video. But here in South Kakalaki, it is in the high 70s today. And tomorrow, y'all, it is March 12th. It's supposed to be in the 80s. Gotta love the dirty South. All right, let me go get another pooch. And this is my most favoriteest little girl in the whole world. This is our only baby girl. And her name is Zelda. Well, her name was gonna be Shock. Oh my God, you're drooling. But now her name is Zelda because we're gonna keep her. She is the runt, the only girl, and she is so pretty. She's got 2 blue eyes, but it's kind of hard to tell. Hi, beautiful. This is what she looks like. She's such a sweet baby. Look at her. Zelda, look. Mommy's pretty little girl. Let's grab another puppy. And this one right here is our other big boy. His name was gonna be Shout because he's Shiva and Sprout's baby. He's a love child. He is definitely the most handsomest boy I've ever seen. They got their mama snoot hardcore. They got big old husky snoot. He's petrified right now. He has no idea what's happening. And he is so big. Look at him. He's gigantic. Why are you so big? Look at him. He's just traumatized. He's like, woman, please put me down. You're so cute, Shout. Okay, let me go get puppy number 5. But not least is Mr. Beryl. He's the only puppy that has both brown eyes. He's a sweet boy. He's the smallest boy. This is him. He's a sweet little baby. Look at him. Hey, look. He's a sweet little boy. Zelda, did you come back for more? Can you come back for more? Y'all want to meet my little Sprutenheimen? And this is my baby boy, Sprutenheimen. This is my Pom. His name is Sprout. Oh my God, Sprout, you need a haircut. But I call him my little Sprutenheimen. Hi, Sprutenheimen. He's a sweet baby. He's a wolf sable Pomeranian, and he will be 2 in 3 days. His birthday is St. Patty's Day. Your birthday's St. Patty's Day. And I already have his little birthday presents ready. So that'll be good. Anyways, Miss Zelda, she loves her daddy, which is funny. Zelda is the one we're keeping, that's the girl. She looks just like a miniature version of my Pomeranian, and I think that's why I like her so much. I would pick up my husky, but she's a big old girl. There she is. She is a full-blooded Siberian husky with blue eyes. Her name is Shiva, and she'll be 6 this year, 5 or 6. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the puppy meet and greet that you all asked for. See, what's funny is my makeup video was the most requested video, and the second one I recorded so much better than the first because the first one was my first time, and the second one like totally flopped. Like not like, like it is my least viewed video by like half. And the puppy video was the most requested video, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Twitch. I stream as well. You can find me under Melba Toast. That is M3 Melba Toast, the same as my name on here. I've already told you my Instagram handle, and I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.